Hello, welcome to the Information and Health channel. I'm Clara, and today I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know about Cellxrenewal before you buy it. I also have two very important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to say in this video. The first thing you need to know about Cellxrenewal is, be careful about the website you go to buy it from, because Cellxrenewal is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've left the official web link below in the description of this video. So what is Cellxrenewal, and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Cellxrenewal works. Now it is finally possible to have 24/7 energy, slow down the aging process and rejuvenate every cell in your body, including the cells that make up your brain, heart, liver, eyes, and even your sex organs. This brand new product has already been tested by thousands of beta users, and the feedback has been excellent. It contains no artificial ingredients, is GMO-free, soy-free, gluten-free, is vegetarian and manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered facility that is fully compliant with GMP safety standards. Cellxrenewal is the latest breakthrough in longevity science that can bring back the health, energy, beauty and confidence you had in your youth. With Cellxrenewal's proprietary formula, you can run faster, think faster, and feel like a kid again, or at least much younger. Of course, the results have been proven many times over. There is no doubt that this is very effective, improve brain function, increase energy, and makes you feel younger. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people getting great results with Cellxrenewal, and you can get those results too. However, you have to keep in mind that every body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I say this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can test Cellxrenewal for 1 year, and if you don't see results, if you don't like them for any reason, they will refund your money. That's why I wanted to record this video. First, to tell you to be careful about the website where you go to buy Cellxrenewal. If you buy the product, remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, because every body reacts in a unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that Cellxrenewal helps improve your life, and many other benefits that Cellxrenewal promotes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Thanks.